Hi, my name is Sarah Brink, and I've been working with Perry Window Cleaning for about 6 months, and I really like doing the water fed on houses and traditional on commercial accounts. This is the best job I've ever had, and thank you.
Utilizing 100% pure water cleaning, Perry Window Cleaning is the name to trust when you want your windows to sparkle. Residential or commercial, we can clean windows, skylights, solariums, mirrors, even glass canopies and chandeliers. Our state-of-the-art system and expert team make the difference. Ask us about gutter cleaning too. We're known for our spotless reputation and attention to detail. Serving locally since 2003, call us and put our experience to work for you.